How to reverse a clip in Davinci Resolve 18 and 18.5. In this video, you will learn how to reverse a clip in Davinci Resolve 18 and 18.5. So first of all, import your video and then add your video in the timeline. Now if you want to reverse a specific clip in your video, first you will need to split that clip. For example, I want to split this clip here. As you can see, I split my clip. Now suppose I want to reverse the second clip. So I will go to the Edit option. In Edit option, select that clip which you want to reverse. Then right-click on that clip. And this menu you will see an option Change Clip Speed, click on it. Now check the Reverse Speed option and then click on Change. That's it. Now let me show you the final result. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe us for more.